Okay, I'm responding to Kelsey's comments about the article. So we read the article about mascots and how Native Americans were represented as mascots, and you brought up a good point saying we don't see white people as mascots because you usually see a mascot as more of an animal or representative of the school. Like we have the Spartan. You don't see like that's not a real person. You don't usually see white people represented as a mascot because it's more of like a weird, I don't know, it stands out. It's not a person kind of thing. They're usually like represent a symbol of something that the school represents, or they're not human because it wouldn't be right if someone dressed up as a white person and ran out on the field because I don't think anyone would like that. And so you shouldn't use just because they're a different race or a different culture. You shouldn't use that as the mascot. Um, I feel like being a Native American, if I was one, I'd be feel really weird and uncomfortable to see someone that they think looks like me running around the field because not all of them look the same. Not all the groups are the same, and so a lot of stereotypes appear where they have like you said something about like the noses and like the way of dressing. How does one decide what that mascot's gonna look like? Because you just have you're just gonna have to pick something random, and other people are not gonna like being represented by one mascot. Um, I feel like they aren't given the same amount of respect because why? Just because that group looks differently, they should be represented as a mascot. That's really not necessary. Um, they are putting them into a different category. They're not representing them as human or people, so it's not really fair. And that's true. Like when you do see a mascot that is a Native American or a different culture, well, for example, Native American, you see them as like uncivilized and warriors, like you said. And when even in the book we read, like they're not warriors. Like people do like fighting, but it's not. That's not what they are. They're just people, and they don't want to be seen as that. And I do agree that you said you need a lot of inside perspectives to like look at what you do before you do it because if you don't have everyone else's opinions, people are going to get mad and then we're going to have more articles like this talking about different issues that shouldn't have even happened. Um yeah, so I really liked what you said and that's it.